It's just amazing to oh, and there's literally bats right here, guys. Those are literally, those are bats, like just hanging out here. All right. Wow, look at these man-made caves down here made of bricks. Oh, this is cool. This is kind of what it feels like to be in the pyramids, maybe. But I can't even talk because my voice is echoing, and I can't like hear myself talk. But it's wild too because, whatever this is made of, it makes my voice sound like a baritone. Like I just hear a booming echo of like a low voice. Try not to trip. Oh man. Wow, so there's different places or different ways you can take in here. Some places are super tall and some places are just like barely the size of a fire pit or something. Like here we go, we break out into this. And I don't know what percentage of this is carved into natural stone and what percentage is just created. Bigger entrance. And then some of these you have to duck down. Like for instance, this right here, it's like lower than my head. But in this room that we're in, it goes much higher, like 4 feet higher. And then they have these little alcoves everywhere where I think they burn candles or incense ceremoniously. It's just amazing to oh, and there's literally bats right here, guys. Those are literally, those are bats, like just hanging out here. Not even bothered that I'm right here. Wild. Very cool. It's a beautiful place. Now we come back out to the outside. Very interesting.